Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change email address on Papa John's. Open the website papajohns.com, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the top right side of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. Now, you will see a section for email address. On the field provided, remove your current email address, then enter the new email you wish to use. After entering, click on Save. For security purposes, enter your password. Then click on Confirm Password. That's how you change email address on Papa John's. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.